drones have revolutionized the world, providing enthusiasts and professionals with the opportunity to capture stunning aerial footage and explore new horizons. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a rookie, the world of drones offers something for everyone, regardless of budget. We've curated a selection of drones, from affordable entry-level options to high-end powerhouses, catering to adventure seekers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts. DJI CD10 Drone. This mini drone weighs just 0.55 pounds and is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. It has a flight time of up to 20 minutes and a maximum distance of 100 meters. It's equipped with a 720-pixel HD camera that can take pictures and videos. It also has a headless mode, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff landing. The first thing to notice about the T25 is its weight of 4.3 pounds. Even in its carrying case, this drone is light, and it measures 10 by 10 by 4.5 inches. The T25 uses a 2K camera that streams video to your smartphone. It also records on the drone's memory card. There's no 3-axis gimbal, but you can tilt the camera up and down. Equipped with GPS location, the Holystone 110G drone can memorize the home point and return automatically whenever the drone loses signal or loses power, or whenever the auto return button is pressed. Users can start or land the drone simply by pressing one button. Furthermore, the latest altitude control system enables stable flight, and the 3-speed switch and headless mode help users grasp flying skills sooner. Holystone HS 720 Foldable GPS. This drone has a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. The optimized full HD camera is built with a shock absorption holder that ensures shooting 3,840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. Its 2 intelligent batteries work for 26 minutes per battery for each charge. The long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and will give users a quieter flight. At less than 8.7 ounces, this drone weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, the Mini 2 SE supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving users the ability to fly farther and see clearer. With a battery life of 31 minutes, the Mini 2 SE grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. DJI has optimized its Mini 3 Pro with larger propellers, an aerodynamic body tilt, and a powerful obstacle sensing system to increase flight time and safety. The Mini 3 Pro drone provides stunning 48-megapixel RAW photos and 4K HDR video with dramatic 1080-pixel and 120 frames per second slow-motion capabilities. It features an ultra-lightweight intelligent flight battery that provides extended flight time up to 34 minutes. If you're looking to get everything you need in one package, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is the best bang for your buck. The Fly More Combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, which ensures 93 minutes of flight time in total. Instead of stopping to recharge after just 30 minutes, you'll have over an hour and a half to capture those epic shots. In addition, you'll receive tons of must-have accessories, a charging hub, a carrying bag, and more. This latest addition to DJI's Air series sets a new standard for drone imaging, boasting the first-ever dual primary camera system within a sleek and compact body. It's equipped with a groundbreaking dual camera setup, featuring a 1:1, 3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1:1. 3-inch CMOS 3-time medium tele camera. The drone provides up to 46 minutes of uninterrupted flight, a significant 48% increase compared to its predecessor. The Autel EO Light Plus is designed for precision flying, and it shoots sharp photos and cinematic 6K Ultra HD video. An ultra-wide-angle binocular vision system helps the drone avoid obstacles. Users have 3 flight modes for different scenarios: standard for everyday flying, sport for moving quickly, and a smooth mode that helps keep the camera steady. The premium bundle includes a charging hub, and 2 additional batteries, so users can swap a fresh one in and keep flying while the first battery recharges. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, powerful autonomous functions, and a compact body weighing less than 21 ounces, the DJI Air 2S is the ultimate drone for aerial photographers on the move. It includes a battery charging hub, North Dakota filter set, shoulder bag, 2 extra batteries, and more for extended flight time and enhanced content creation. Did you find your perfect flying buddy? Let me know in the comments which drone sparked your inner aviator for more gadget adventures. Smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.